I'm sure you would agree that unexpected equipment breakdowns can leave you scrambling to find OEM replacement parts. Unfortunately, OEM replacements aren't always readily available or they're obsolete. But what if I had an additional resource to help you eliminate those bearing supply chain issues? Well, we got a solution for you. In this video, I'd like to highlight our Stearns Stafford product and how it's been filling those gaps for the last 35 years. Hi, I'm Ben Walls, the Operations and Production Manager here at Bearings Manufacturing Company. I have just about 20 years experience and I'm a third-generation bearing guy. I started with the company sweeping the floors and being a machine operator. Now I get to help the company grow in a lot of different ways. So now I'm going to take you guys through the shop, highlighting a lot of the different areas that help us produce the Stearns Stafford parts. So all of our Stearns Stafford product start back here in our machining department, where we source all of our raw material locally here in the US. We have a wide range of CNC and manual equipment to help us get this process done. This is our grinding department, where we have over 50 pieces of precision grinding equipment to grind both the inner races and the outer races of the Stearns Stafford product. Here in our centerless grind department, we can grind cylindrical, spherical, and taper roller bearings with any type of specialty crown or drop to help you get exactly what you need. Now, we're in one of our 3 quality labs. They're all temperature and humidity regulated, and 100% of every component and assembly comes through one of these labs to get their final inspections. Lastly, we have our final assembly. All Stearns Stafford bearings are assembled by hand to ensure you the highest level of precision, from cylindrical roller bearings to thrust roller bearings, and even to ball bearings. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, visit our website or give us a call. For more awesome bearing content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn.